Eskin's private scribe is an old friend. I do not doubt his loyalty, even now. He can tell us where the other Templars have been taken.
Jock, you have to tell me what this is about. What is Eskin hoping to achieve by eliminating the Templars?
The less you know, the better. Come now, let us hurry.
Put up your sword, scoundrel! So much for you! Come on! Look at him! Crushing force!
John Paul, what happened?
It's true, old friend. Everything we suspected. Eskin caught wind of our investigation into his affairs and he means to execute the others immediately. Here, take this parchment. You must hurry.
He's written down the location of the execution. Come, there's no time to mourn. We've got to get to the location John Paul gave us before Eskin's sham of a trial turns into an execution.
What did John Paul mean when he said it's all true?
First, we save our brothers. Then, I'll tell you everything.
Farewell, devil. It's ours, lads! So much for you, Templars! I got more of those!
Jacques, so glad you could make it. The Templars have been found guilty of heresy. Once you join your friends in hell, none will stand in my way.
David, go to Notre Dame. Now!
I'm not leaving your side.
I'm buying you time, you fool. Don't waste it. Run! Now!
Jacques was on to something Eskin wanted to remain secret. If there's any chance that that secret did not die with him, I'll find it in Notre Dame. If I can make it there.
You can't win! You're saved! The kill!
If it isn't Jacques de Molay's little bastard Hellspawn, kill him.
Do your work!
You fight well, Hellspawn, but heed my words. Once I finish the hunt, all will fall before me.
He's gone. Jacques' quarters have been ransacked. There's nothing left, except a letter to Flora de Santi, an acquaintance of his. Flora, I fear you were right about Eskin. I need to find this Flora de Santi before Eskin does. The letter I found points me to an anchorite named Flora de Santi, but Eskin found this letter as well. Which means he's on his way to Aquitaine right now. I need to move fast. I'm too late. Eskin's men have Flora's cloister surrounded. I'll need to be quick about this.
He's here! Ready? I've got him! So he can? He's dead! I can't believe it! Expect more of that! Keep back! There he is! You going to bleed out on me? You brought a nut. I knew you'd fall.
Are you Flora de Santi? My name is Damien. I'm...
Jacques' protege, I know. Thank goodness you're alive. I was told the Templars were found guilty of heresy and executed. But where's Jacques? I see.
You believe Hugo is secretly working with Eskin? But to what end? What is Eskin trying to achieve?
Jacques suspected Eskin and his cohorts of conspiring to acquire demonic power. How, I don't know. The local constable might be able to tell us more. My little birds tell me the constable doubts the abbots Hugo recently executed were truly guilty of blasphemy. He's usually at the tavern at this hour.
Excellent. I could use a drink.
Mikey Zero count! Damn it! Draw your blade! I was aiming for your head. That sting. The heretic is here.
The constable and his men might have left some clues behind. Let's take a look. According to this ledger, the charges against the abbots were never verified by the church.
Let's pay the officer who signed this ledger a visit.
The officer who signed that ledger entry is stationed near the windmill, but the area is heavily guarded.
That's why God made swords.
Hit him. Crushing throw! There he is.
I don't fear.
Looks like someone got to this poor sod before we did.
To ensure his silence, no doubt. There's a series of reports in his pockets. Seems our new Lord of Castelnau has been behaving erratically. Strange lights and voices coming from his bedchamber. And he recently met with Eskin.
Murderers! Guards, seize them!
The heretic is here.
Forward!
Show me what you've got.
The faithless dog is here!
Expect another! Arrows ready! Come on, Templar! Hit him!
Got you good! Weakling!
Hugo is getting away. Come on, after him! If Hugo manages to escape, we may lose the only chance we have of learning why Eskin betrayed the Templars.
That's not going to happen.
You won't go any...
You call that a sword?
So it's up to us.
Filthy traitor! I did it! He's done!
Where's your god now, heathen?
Force! Crushing force!
Damien, there goes Hugo.
Come on! We can't let him escape!
We can't let Hugo escape. You've got to stop him.
There! The Templar! I got him!
Check his pocket, lad. Get him.
You break these!
Hey, game!
Guards! Guards!
Nowhere left to run, Hugo.
This man is a heretic! He's possessed! He's a Templar assassin come to kill me!
Are you done?
You will not leave Akiten alive, boy!
The heretic won't get past me.
It's over, Hugo. Talk. Tell us what you know of Eskin and his hunt.
If I were you, I'd do as the lady says.
He's after a collection of ancient relics. I don't know what for. He didn't trust me enough to say. Aldous Roll should have the answers you seek. He was working closely with Jacques. Only, he's been imprisoned at the Conciergerie on charges of conspiracy. So,